Hi everyone, Sid here back again with another video. In this video we're going to discuss about how to apply SSL certificate in your WordPress website. So let's start. So first of all, I am expecting you have already installed in your website SSL certificate. Once this is applied, and sometimes not everywhere applied properly SSL certificate, then you need to type here, click here plugins and go in search bar and type SSL. Once you hit on SSL, you need to install this one, really simple SSL. Once you install the and click on active, once this is successfully active in your machine, then go setting, and inside of setting we have option is SSL. Click on SSL and just click on enable. This SSL is enabled on your side, and this is once this is successfully done, then you need to check your website SSL certificate installed properly. Okay, and also you not get any breakup anything. Okay, so thank you for watching this video.